Hi everyone and welcome back to Simply Chill. Today I'm going to show you all how I made a door wreath for Christmas with an old book. You will need an old book, a pair of scissors, ribbon, hot glue gun, a binder clip, ornaments, cardboard and sellotape. So let's get started. Draw two circles, one larger than the other, on the cardboard. And keep aside. Take a book of your choice and carefully remove the spine. Loosen the pages. You will need about 70 to 90 pages depending on the size of the wreath. Take one page and carefully make a cone, turning the page from the center. And secure with a piece of tape. Make cones with the rest of the pages. And keep aside. Cut the cardboard to the size you want and with the help of the hot glue gun, glue down the cones starting from the top. Continue gluing all around. Till the circle is complete. Now that the first row is complete, do the same for a second, third and fourth row till you're satisfied. Attach the binder clip at the back of the wreath. Add a ribbon. Now choose the ornament you want in the center of the wreath. I've taken one red ornament. That's it. The wreath is ready. I made one more, this time in gold. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.